What is good, YouTube? So today I'm going to be going over GameStop and AMC stock and why I believe Judgment Day is close. But before I do get into that, if you guys have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, what the hell are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe because I do keep you guys updated on GameStop and AMC stock. GameStop was up 1% though. It did hit a high of $25.21 and it was green throughout the whole day. Now it is possible that the market keeps crashing and GameStop falls below this $23.83 level and makes another low. But right now at this level, I mean, the biggest reversals in the market happen on low volume and then the next day it just freaking explodes on some crazy news. And I believe that's where we are at. Now I say there's more room to go down because, you know, we don't know when that crazy news is going to come out. It more than likely is going to come out for Q4 earnings for GameStop. So that's what I'm expecting it. That's what I'm expecting to actually know what the hell they invested into, and it could be some really amazing news. Who knows? They may have already made money off Bitcoin. Who knows? AMC today was down only 1 penny though, at $3.26. The volume wasn't too crazy, but we hit at $3.45. So right in the morning. Then it just came back down for the rest of the day. So, you know, we're just right there. And what's really cool is like AMC has this hammer candle on the 1 hour chart, an inverted hammer candle. That's pretty bullish right there. And if we take a look at GameStop, GameStop also has the freaking hammer candle on the 1 hour chart as well as the daily chart. Just an inverted hammer everywhere for GameStop and AMC. That's a pretty good bullish signal. So tomorrow we might see a continuation for GameStop. We might see AMC pop back up to 350. I just think the volume isn't going to come in until we really get some news on what's going on with GameStop with the cash, until Ryan Cohen says something, or even if Roaring Kitty just does a portfolio update. I mean, if any of those things happen, at this point in time, I mean, GameStop's going to freaking moon. Everyone's taking their money. There's a lot of people selling crypto off, and like, the same thing happened back in May. Back in May was like a month or two after crypto had a pretty good run. Then crypto crashed. And then meme stocks followed like a couple months later, a month or two later. That's exactly what the hell's going on right now as I freaking speak. I mean, this second spike, this second sneeze, if not squeeze, is going to be huge. I mean, the momentum has built up like insane. The on-balance volume is literally at an all-time high for AMC, as well as GameStop. I mean, the on-balance volume is the highest it's ever been on the weekly chart for GameStop. That means people are buying more GameStop now than ever. I mean, shorts are screwed because that good news for GameStop is inevitable. Roaring Kitty's portfolio update, inevitable. I mean, the ceiling is about to crack, and I believe the RSI is about to skyrocket back to like 97, 98 like it was here back in 2021. Really what I think is going to happen. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, but I mean, it's kind of obvious what the hell is going on here. So Ryan Cohen just retweeted this today, and then he deleted the repost, and then he reposted it again a couple of hours later. So it says, remember when everyone wore masks like a bunch of retards? That's basically what Ryan Cohen reposted out of freaking nowhere. He just does this today. Doesn't even say anything, just that. This is literally his first retweet of 2025, just that. This guy said, GameStop, if you can't tell what's happening, we'll spell it out for you. There's a market crash, then GameStop and Ryan Cohen release positive news, the stock goes up, liquidity flows into stock, GameStop goes higher, then Roaring Kitty reveals his wild card, sends stock much higher, forces shorts to start covering. The stock goes higher, short squeeze begins. Naked shorts and corruption by short sellers revealed by Doge. Doge goes after SEC and short sellers, no turning off the buy button this time. Elon Musk provides the final kill shot, gets revenge for Tesla, and then MOAS, mother of all short squeezes, begins as short sellers can't cover their positions because the shares that they borrowed and need to return don't exist. Ryan Cohen and Roaring Kitty set the price target just up, and then freaking MOAS happens, just like it did in 2021. Something that I would always say from the beginning on my channel is that history repeats itself. History just repeats itself, and what happened in 2021 is going to happen again, except this time the pressure has built up crazier than it has ever been before, and short sellers are just going to get screwed, liquidated, just like in 2021. This guy said, I thought AMC was supposed to be bankrupt 5 years ago. Well, that's what they told everybody. Thanks, CEO Adams. So all these articles were coming out years ago saying closing the curtain, popular movie theater chain goes private after selling final stock. On Robinhood, it showed that the company has filed for bankruptcy. This article says AMC Entertainment is likely going to file Chapter 11. And this article says AMC Entertainment unlikely to survive 2023, even if movie ticket sales fully recover. So just to see how good AMC did in Q4 of 2024, I mean, the only thing holding AMC back is its debt. And I mean, that has been pushed back so far, like 4 or 5 years into the future. The EBITDA increased from 47 million to 164 million within 1 year. A higher EBITDA indicates better company performance. Therefore, business owners can improve the company's EBITDA to make the company more attractive to potential buyers and investors. I mean, right now, bankruptcy isn't even in the picture at all, and AMC is just making more and more money, more cash flow, positive cash flow in 2024. That means a bunch of people are coming in and out of AMC, over 62 million within a couple months. I mean, that's freaking crazy. So it's just insane to think that AMC is going to be trading at all-time lows forever, you know? Because that's what it's at right now. All-time lows, testing that $2.50 level again. It's right there. This guy said, all eyes on this page. So this page is for the SEC filings, the GME SEC filings. And he just added this freaking picture of Ryan Cohen just there with a mask on. And then that little character, classic, the crash guy. And what's really funny is that in this picture, Ryan Cohen's wearing his mask. And look at what he just retweeted. Remember when everyone wore masks like a bunch of retards? As of right now, though, as long as the volume stays this low, there's not going to be too much price movement in GameStop and AMC. And I believe what is going to bring the volume is the news, the Bitcoin related news, and Roaring Kitty revealing his portfolio. Those are really the only two things. And those two things are going to bring some insane amounts of volume to GameStop, especially because crypto like already had its pump and now it's falling and now meme coins are next. Same cycle we went through back in May. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the frick you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. Both GameStop and AMC had bullish inverted hammer candles today. AMC on the hourly, GameStop on the daily and the hourly. So going into tomorrow, I do believe GameStop and AMC are going to rise just a little bit. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with GameStop and AMC stocks. So make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go. Come on. Push it. Buying the dip. Buying the dip.